there guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you through a tour of Murtho Forest Campground. It's a free campground, so you don't need to book. It's first in, first served. You can also park right by the side of the river. It's quite a big campground, separated by the entry road into the campground. And once we've been through there, we'll also take you on a tour of the Murtho Forest Lookout as well. Stay with us until the end of the video, where we show you some absolutely breathtaking footage from our drone. Within this campground, there are some tracks that do become quite boggy when it rains, so just be aware of that. And they are mostly off to the left side when you come down the entry road. There is a boat ramp at this campground, and there are some big open spaces that most size caravans will fit in also. thanks for watching our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, how about give us a thumbs up. If you want to be kept up to date with our latest videos on tips and hacks and mods and reviews, recipes, all sorts, while we prepare for our big lap, to help you prepare for your big lap, hit the subscribe button. And you can also find us on Facebook at Big Lap on a Budget. You can find us on Instagram as well. And you can also find us on the internet at biglaponabudget.com.au. So we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye for now.